Now let us start with question number 12. Statement is a triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle. We are having a circle and there is a triangle which is circumscribing this circle. Okay, and the radius is given 4 centimeter such that segment BD and DC, into which BC is divided by the point of contact D. Name of the triangle is A, D and C. BC is divided by the point of contact D. These are of length 8 and 6 centimeter respectively. This length is given to us 6 centimeter and it is given to us 8 centimeter. Find the length of BC and AB. We are going to find AB and AC. To find AB and AC. So let's start. First of all, we will use the theorem. This is the center of the circle. We know that the tangent from the external point are equal in length. If CD is 6, then let us take this point as point of contact E and it is at point of contact F. Join OD, OF and OE. Okay, let us join OC also, OA also and OB also. Okay, now C is the external point and length of tangent CD and CE will be equal. Here CD is equals to CE. Both are of same length, that is 6 centimeter. From point B, BD and BF are the two tangents and they both are of equal length, that is 8. From point A, AE and AF are equal. AE and AF are equal. Length is not given to us, so let us suppose that it is X centimeter, say. Okay, we have assumed it as X centimeter. Now also the radius is given. Radius means OE, OF and OD. There are 3 radius here. This is given to us. OE is equals to OF is equals to OD and each radius is 4 centimeter. What we are going to do here is, first of all, I am going to find the area of triangle AOB. AOB. I am going to take this one triangle. Triangle A, O and B. Okay. Area of triangle AOB. We know that the formula is half into base into height. So half into base. What is base here? So this is OF. OF is the radius and AB is the tangent, and radius is always perpendicular to tangent. It means that here this angle is of 90 degree and we know that the perpendicular line is always known as the height of the triangle and the line at which the perpendicular line meet, that is known as the base. So here AB is the base and OF is the height. Okay, so base is here BF plus FA. So you can see here, what is BF here? This is 8 and BF is also 8 and we have assumed that AF is X and AE is X. CD is 6 and CE is also 6. Length of the tangent from external points are same. So if we have to calculate the value of AB, this is X plus 8. This is X plus 8 into height. What is height? Height is here OF. And what is the value OF? OF is given to us 4, which is the radius. So you will cancel these terms. 2 and 2 will be cancelled out and here you will get multiply 2 with these two terms X and 8. You will get 2X plus 16. Okay, this is the area of triangle AOB. Now again we are going to find the area of triangle BOBC. Area of triangle OBC. So here OBC, we are going to calculate the area of this triangle. Again same, this is the height, this is the radius perpendicular to this tangent, and here base is CB and height is OD. So same formula, half into base into height, half into base. Base is 6 plus 8 into height. Height is OD and OD is what? OD is the radius whose length is given to you 4. Now you can cancel it. 6 plus 8 is 14 and 14 into 2 will be 28 centimeter square. So this is the area of second triangle. Now third triangle which is left, that is not shaded, that is triangle OAC. OAC. Again same, you have to find area of triangle OAC. This is half into base into height. Again this is radius which is perpendicular to this tangent. It means that this angle is of 90 degree. This is the height and this one is the base. So half into base. Base is 6 plus x. So half into 6 plus x into height, and height is OE, and here length of OE is what? 4. 2 and 2 will be cancelled. Multiply 2 here. You will get 12 plus 2x. 12 plus 2x. Now this is the third area. Now what we have to do, we have to calculate the area of this full triangle. So area of this full triangle ABC is, we have to calculate this blue shaded, we have to add this blue shaded part area, this red shaded part area, and unshaded part. Okay, so what you will write here, area of triangle ABC, it will be equals to, we have to add area of triangle AOB, area of triangle OBC, area of triangle OAC. Okay, area of triangle AOB is here 2x plus 16, area of triangle OBC is 28, and area of triangle OAC is 12 plus 2x. Now add these terms. Here 2x plus 2x will become 4x, plus now 16 plus 28 plus 12 you will get 56. So this is the my area of triangle ABC. Mark it as equation number 1. We are going to use this equation further. Now again we have to find area of this triangle using the Heron's formula. Okay, now let us start again. I am going to construct again same triangle. Here my triangle is like this. This is A, this is B, and this is C. Here AB is x plus 8 and CB is 6 plus 8, which is equals to 14, and here AC is 6 plus x. Now we are going to calculate the area by Heron's formula. For Heron's formula, first of all we have to calculate the semi-perimeter. Okay, semi-perimeter is S. The formula is sum of 3 sides divided by 2. Here A is the first side, B is second side, and C is the third side. Now first side is here. Let us suppose AB is the first side, that is x plus 8. BC is the second side, that is 14, and AC is the third side, which is 6 plus x upon 2. Okay, now add these terms. You will get here 28 plus 2x. X plus x is 28, and add these 3 terms. You will get 28 upon 2. Let us take 2 common from here. You will get here x plus 14 upon 2. 2 and 2 will be cancelled out, and we will get semi-perimeter is x plus 14. Now area of triangle AOC, it is under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So what is S here? S is the semi-perimeter. This is x plus 14. What is S minus A? S is x plus 14. A is the first side, and we have taken the first side x plus 8 minus x plus 8 into s minus b. S is x plus 14 minus b, and b is my 14, into s minus c. S is again x plus 14 minus c. C is the third side, which is 6 plus x. Now let us solve the bracket here. Here is x plus 14. Now open the bracket. X plus 14. The minus sign will goes inside, and this positive 8 will become negative. So you will get minus x minus 8. Again here x plus 14 minus 14. Here again this is x plus 14. Take the negative sign inside. The terms of this terms which is on the second bracket will be changed. Positive will turn into negative. Now this x and this x will be cancelled out. 14 and 14 will be cancelled out. Here plus x and minus x will be cancelled. So we will get here, this is x plus 14. This is 14 minus 8. We will get here 6. Here we are left with only x. This is 6 minus 14. You will get here 8. Okay. Now you will multiply all these terms. 6 into 8 is 48x. This is x plus 14. Okay. Now multiply it, or this is, mark it as equation number 2. Now by the first equation we have calculated the area of a triangle is 4x plus 56, and here we have calculated the area in under root by Heron's formula. Now equating these two areas. Now what we will do, equating equation number 1 and equation number 2 here. By equation number 1 we have the area 4x plus 5, 4x plus 56, it is equals to, by equation number 2 we have 48x into x plus 14. Okay. Now squaring both these terms, you will get 4x plus 56 whole square is equals to 48 into x plus 14 whole square. Square and under root will be cancelled out. Now you are left with here, we are left with here 4x plus 56 whole square is equals to this is 48x into, this is 48x into x plus 14. Okay. Now next, take 16 common from this. From here, it can be written as 4 into 14. So this is 4. So you can take 4 common from here. But 4 is in a whole square. So we have to take 4 square common. 4 square common means you have to take 16 here. So inside we are left with x plus 14 whole square is equals to, here is 48 into x plus 14. This 16 will get divided with 48. We will get x plus 14 whole square is equals to 48 upon 16 into x plus 14. Now divide it. What we will get here, 16 into 3 is 48. So it will cancel with 3. So x plus 14 whole square. This term is multiplying here, and we can shift it to the left hand side and it will get divided here. So here we are left with 3x only. So 1 square and x plus 14 will be cancelled. So here it's x plus 14 is equals to 3x. Take x to the right hand side. You will get 3x minus x 14 is equals to 2x. 2 will get divided. You will get here 14 upon 2 is equals to x, and you will get x is equals to 7. Okay, now what we have to calculate, actually we have to find AB. Now we know that AB is what, 8 plus x, and x is over 7, and we will get x AB is equals to 15 centimeter. We have to calculate the AC also, and AC is 6 plus x, that is 6 plus 7, and we will get 13. So here our chapter is finished. Now if anyone wants a PDF note of this chapter, then he or she can contact me, or you can write on the comments. I will send you the PDF of these full exercise. Okay, thank you.